Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2005 VZ Holden Commodore Ute CrossTrack. This vehicle is fitted with a 3.6 litre Alloytech V6 petrol engine, backed by a 4-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle has sustained damage in the front. The bonnet appears to have no damage. Left-hand halogen light. Light is in good condition. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mag wheels. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left-hand power door mirror. Left door appears to have no damage. Left rear factory 16-inch alloy wheel. Left rear has a good tyre. Right rear factory alloy wheel, 16-inch, appears to have a good tyre. Right hand door trim in tidy condition. This vehicle is fitted with factory black cloth interior. Factory single stack CD player. Instrument cluster in tidy condition. Center interior mirror, tidy condition. Black steering wheel with stereo controls. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this film.